Message notification not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. If you're not receiving any message notification on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can fix the problem. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to fix Samsung Galaxy message notification problem, you just need to open up the settings from your phone first, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and then tap on notifications. And once you're here inside the notifications, go and tap on app notification, and inside this one it's going to show you all the app. You just need to go ahead and tap on the search bar at the very top, and from the search bar you just need to search for message. And once you get the messages, you just need to go ahead and tap on these. You'll get to see it's currently turned off. You just need to make sure that you have enabled the allowed notification. I'm going to enable that. Once you do that, make sure it's selected allow sound and vibration as well, and the very important one, notification type. For the lock screen notification, badges and pop-up notification, it's currently not allowed. You just need to go ahead and tap on that and make sure all the options are allowed from here. And once you do that, the last thing, tap on lock screen notification. You can also get the notification but hide or show the content on the lock screen, so you can select one of these and then scroll down, tap on notification categories, and make sure all the options are enabled from here as well. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just need to force close the message application from the background, and once you do that, most likely your notification problem will be fixed and you will start getting notification on the message application. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.